What are you going to cook today?
Good question. Today I will use rosemary flower again to create second dish. Rosemary flower blooms only in the winter. Today I will add cardamom leaf in my dish. It's very fragrant. Hey Chris, why you pick up so much cardamom leaf? Leave me some! Today I'm going to cook fishball and fish wrap and fish cake. Use 1 kilo barramundi fillet. And this is the ingredients: rosemary flowers and some herbs, which parsley and dill, spring onion, 15 gram salt, 2 egg white, and use cardamom leaf to wrap the fish. This is like a fish paste already mixed with the herbs and the rosemary flower. So now I add salt, couple of spoons oil, about 3 tablespoons oil. So that's the fish paste. Will mix really well, and then you can see it's easy to come in the bowl. I don't know.